So the next step, now we've got our heatsink on, is to install the RAM. Now to install the RAM, you'll notice I've got two sets of matched pairs of RAM here. My two orange slots correspond to one dual channel setup. The two black slots correspond to another dual channel setup. So I want to have matching pairs in the orange and matching pairs in the black. In order to install your RAM, just open the slots, take your RAM, and you'll notice that you need to line up the notch with the RAM, with the slot in the slot, the nub in the slot, if you will. Push down. It'll pull the two end pieces up. Make sure that all the latches are fully closed, and there you go. You've now installed RAM onto your motherboard. You're ready for the next step.